Quick update about Matic. If the price pushes down, then our next support line is at 58 cents. If the price continue pushing up, then our next resistance line is at 68 cents. And if it breaks through that resistance line, then our next resistance will be at 76 cents. I'm a little bit worried about this week. There is a possibility that the price will not hold this 58 cents support line. Could also break through and go down up to 45 cents. So keep an eye on Matic price movement on the coming days, especially on Tuesday when the CPI data will be released. If we don't get a good inflation rate on Tuesday, then there is a possibility that we would see a sell-off on Bitcoin and ETH, and that would bring down all the altcoin markets with it. You can find the link for this chart on the description. Also subscribe if you want to receive posts about the price movement. That's it. Thanks for watching.